Hi, my name is Anita. Let's see a practical example of how to use the new feature in MERLIC 5.6 print quality of 2D data codes. For this, I prepared an MV app and I'm now going to share my screen with you. You can see this MV app is quite simple. We are acquiring images using the image source tool. Then we are reading the data metrics code from this image using the read data metrics tool. And for visualization purposes, we are using the evaluate expression tool to evaluate the overall print quality of the data code. But now let's take a step back and see how we can actually obtain the print quality values for the 2D data code. For this, we implemented a few new things. In the read data metrics tool, you can now see a new parameter, print quality. You can select this parameter by clicking on the plus icon and selecting it from the parameter list. Additionally, we have two new results, print quality values and print quality features. Now, for the print quality parameter, the default value is none, but you can also choose from one of the two standards for print quality. For example, let's choose the second one. This will automatically update the features and the values for the print quality. Now, which features and how the values are calculated for the print quality is not defined by MERLIC. This is defined by the standard for print quality for 2D data codes. So if you want to learn more about how the features are evaluated and how the values are calculated, please refer to the documentation for the print quality standard. So if you want to get the print quality of a data code, this is all that you need to do. But as we previously said, for visualization purposes, we are going a step further. We are getting the print values, the print quality values and the print quality features from the previous tool, and we are setting a minimum quality value. Why? Because we want to compare the overall quality value from the 2D data code with this minimum value. Now, if this is true, this result quality passed will be 1. If not, as in this case, it's going to be 0. Speaking of visualization, let's see this better on the application visualization. Now you can see we displayed the print quality features and values using a table, and the first value is the overall quality. As we said, in our MV app, this is going to be compared with the minimum overall quality, and as a result, we are going to see red or green on this LED. Now, as we said, how the overall quality is calculated is defined by the print quality standard. But the minimum value for the overall quality is 0 and the maximum is 4. This means if the 2D data code is printed accordingly to the standard, it will get a 4. If not, as in this case, it will get a 0. So, this is a practical use case of how you can use the print quality values for 2D data codes in your application. We hope you enjoy it.